Hey guys, it's Getty here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract pen ink from common household pens. Now, for supplies, we have a container to put the pen ink, in this case coffee cups, but you can also use a cap from a water bottle. You can also use the water bottle as a de facto trash can. The next required item is, well, pens to extract ink from. I have some Bic ball pens. The whole box only costs about $2 for 36 pens, so it's a good deal. Also make sure to have some good paper towel or Kleenex nearby, because this can be messy. Now, get out a pen, just one at a time, and a scissors, doesn't matter the sharpness, and your storage container for your ink, in which case I'm using a cap. You will also need a way to deal with the rest of the ink from the pen, so I have a water bottle. Now, to start, you will need to uncap the pen. Next, you will need to grab your scissors and put it right where the black meets with the main pen body. You want to grab it almost with the scissors, but you don't want to cut it. Now that we have the prize, you will need to pull off the end where you'd write. The pen would still work, but now it is not going to. I recommend doing this whole thing over something to keep your tables clean. Either way, get your prize and your ink storage. Now, one side of this pen ink storage prize is gonna be completely devoid of ink. Now, to get the ink out, you have to place your mouth on the storage part and blow. Not in a gay way. Now, this will be a lot of work, but you want to blow until you can feel the air coming out of the end of the pen. Ink will continue coming out as long as you keep, blowing. Now, put the rest of the pen somewhere where it will not get your whole table dirty. And here we are, some nice, squeezed out of the pen, fresh pen ink. Now, pen ink is extremely messy, and as you can see by the stained fingers, it sticks. Make sure to get rid of all of your trash like a normal person. There isn't many uses for pen ink past, well, being for pens. And one of the uses is stick and poke tattoos, in which case I do suggest using a Bic pen, like a non-toxic pen, over a toxic pen, but you should just use tattoo ink. Yum. Non-toxic pen ink.